Virgo, hi, welcome to the Yellow Mandala, where we weave stories from the past, present, and the future based on Indian mysticism, Indian mythologies, and a little bit of Indian tarot. So, if this video resonates with you, please do hit the like and subscribe button so that the algorithm can share the video with the rest of the tarot community and we can help one another. So, let's get started, Virgo. How's your week? The Page of Swords, the Knight of Wands, the Fool, the Seven of Swords, and the Empress. Beautiful. Okay, can you see the cards? Okay. I feel like there was some sort of maybe you're dealing with an immature person, Virgo, I'm just going to say it. You're an empress. You're this elegant, beautiful creature, alright? But then maybe you got too excited about some person. They were a bit of a charmer. Maybe they use this flowery language and they, wooed you. And in the end, you realize that they were just this, player kind of a person. And it hurt you real bad. There was trickery involved. Maybe they just thought that you were their one-time thing, but then you thought that this person was your forever. And now you're looking ahead. You're being in a fool energy. You're hopeful for something to work out. Now let's see. Let's clarify these cards, okay? What is the Page of Swords? The Strength, the Three of Wands, the Hierophant. I feel that this person of yours came forward with a lot of charming, flirtatious communication, This person, Page of Swords is a person who's open to having communication. But I believe that in this instance, this person kind of like duped you, There's a lot of trickery involved. And then you thought that this person was your prince who was trying to save you from some sort of a situation, but then you realize that the only person who can save you is you, and you also thought that maybe you had this thought in your mind that this person was your like your marriage material or something, but it feels like there's a lot of trickery involved, which makes sense because it started quickly, it ended quickly. Maybe it was just for a few dates, This is so weird. Maybe you've dealt with a Taurus. Even a Taurus had a similar theme of reading, And then right now you're in the Seven of Swords mode. Somebody tricked you a lot. Somebody backstabbed you. Or, this is a lot of bad hurt, like bad blood between the two of you. Let's look at Knight of Wands. The Two of Cups in reverse. The Justice upright. The Page of Coins in upright. The Two of Cups in reverse, because this person never, I'm sorry to say this, Virgo, but I think you have to hear the truth. This person never thought of you as the Two of Cups, but you thought of them as your Two of Cups. But, justice will be served in the situation. So if you're worried about karma is going to take effect. Trust me. The universe doesn't let anyone hurt anyone, okay? So you have to trust the universe that justice will be served. This person who treated you like this will be given justice. And Page of Coins, now, even in spite of going through this much of hurt, and I just know that deep down you did have a soft corner for them, and this person did end up hurting you. So this person, you are in this Page of Coins mode where you're like looking ahead, you're hopeful, you want to do something new, you want to plant something new, you want to grow a business, or you want to start your own thing. It's absolutely beautiful because you are like, what, fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me. So you don't want to be fooled twice. So you're in that mode. And Seven of Swords, let's just clarify Seven of Swords. Three of Coins, Three of Cups, Knight of Cups. So while you're focusing on yourself, you're trying to build your own garden, you're trying to build your own abundance. Three of Coins is someone who is extremely focused on their craft, on their skill sets, and they want to grow up and they want to grow their business. And if you see behind, there are these two tough teachers and taskmasters. That is life in my, I perceive this as life. And life has kicked you in the wrong places but still you're growing, you're learning, you're happy, you're content. This person's extremely happy. And this person, this Page of Coins is very happy to, grow their abundance. And that's what you're doing. But you're in the Seven of Swords mode because you were hurt, right? But the same person is thinking of coming ahead with communication. Alright? This person wants to come to you with communication. But then here I feel that I get the sense that this person's, still going to trick you and use you again for their one night stand. So I mean, while you might think that this is going to be a time of celebration, I really have to warn you because this might end up hurting you again. All right. So before you give them a chance, before you get all happy and worked up, I would ask you to like pause and see if it's really worth to be hurt again. Do you really want to go through that? Like that swords kind of energy again? No, you don't want to, right? Now, the Fool is clarified by the Four of Wands, the Temperance, and the Eight of Coins. Now, this is beautiful because the Fool is an energy to take that leap of faith. I still feel that you want to take this leap of faith with this person, even though they have hurt you. Maybe you want to give them a chance. Maybe you're the kind of person who thinks that there is still good left in them because Four of Wands is the ultimate marriage card. You see yourself settling down with them. This is the marriage scene from an Indian wedding, and it's absolutely beautiful card, right? Maybe the universe is asking you to take the leap of faith in the future, in the immediate future, because you look at them as your forever. And Temperance, this is the great goddess of Buddhism, and she brings in harmony and joy and peace around everyone. Maybe you believe that this person's changed and deserves another chance, and for right now you're focusing on your Eight of Coins. Now this person's, maybe you're also get the storyline that you're working against a possible deadline and you're like focused on that, but you're also at the back of your mind, you're like, I'm going to stay patient because this person is my Four of Cups. Wow, that's beautiful. I was quite shocked. I thought that this person, you must be angry with this person, but looks like you want to give them another chance, And the Empress, let's just clarify the Empress. The Page of Cups, the King of Wands, the Ace of Coins. Okay, it makes sense why you think this person deserves another chance, because I feel like this person, you think of them as a King of Wands. This is a phoenix rising from the ashes. Maybe they realize their mistakes and they're willing to like put in that effort, bring up like a new opportunity, a new cup of love, or like a new offer, and they're also like coming in slowly, with their new with like a cup of love. I mean, I feel that you're going to have two options, Virgo. One from the old past, the one who hurt you, and a new offer from completely random, a person who's extremely happy-go-lucky. So I get the sense that you're still going to choose the old person over the new person for some reason. Maybe they say, right, people are attracted to bad boys or, like bad girls. I think it's that kind of an energy here. The attraction is quite intense with the old person. Maybe it's sexual in nature, but how long can you be attracted sexually? You need that cerebral attraction as well. So you're going to have two options, Gemini, and let's see what the universe has an advice for you. Yeah, you're going to have two options, and I have a feeling that you're going to go towards the old. Let me know in the comment section what happens. You've got the Page of Swords, the Ten of Wands, the Two of Wands. Okay. The Two of Wands is a person who's looking at the past while also making a decision about the future. This is represented by the god Janus, who's the ruler of the month January. So maybe by January, I guess you're going to have this communication from this person. You feel that this old communication is extremely burdensome, but it's worth it. And you're open to like communication. You're open to them coming and explaining why they behaved in this way. I mean, this is a weird reading, Virgo. Usually your readings are pretty straightforward. But if you're going to give this old person a chance, please just take care of your heart, because you don't want to go through the Seven of Swords energy, So that's it. That's all I have for you, and I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.